Hello, I'm Jo and my husband John. We're here in El Balcón de Santa Ana in La Gomera. This is our second time visiting here. We first came 3 years ago. This is quite a late discovery for us, but it's really my favourite site and it is definitely one I'll come back to again and again. This time we've played golf twice and absolutely fallen in love with the golf course here.
So I've played golf for many years, ever since I was a young lad, but in recent years much more. I've been lucky enough to play a number of beautiful courses around the world, but I think Tahina here is fantastic. The difference for me is the views, really. It's such a challenging course with the various different sort of holes with sweeping hills, and the looking out over the ocean is just spectacular.
They provide you with clubs, fix you up with a buggy and take you up to the top of the hill, and the course winds its way down the hill, which is really unusual. I've never played a course quite like that. Stunning views from every hole. You can see out to the ocean, you can see across to Tenerife and Mount TD, the big beautiful volcano there, which is still covered with snow even though it's so lovely and sunny here.
They're very large greens and you have to really study them to get the run of the green, but the ball does run beautifully once you sort of get used to them.
John won the first time, I won today rather well. I had to get in the bunker once, struggled a bit to get out.
We had a fantastic game today and it was nip and tuck all the way to the end. In fact, I missed a 4-foot putt on the last half the match, which would have been a bit of a shame, but there we go.
When we come back here to the resort, there's a little crazy golf course that we've been playing with the children, trying to get them into the main game. There's 3 gorgeous swimming pools. One of them's in the infinity pool, which is stunning, just looking out over the Atlantic Ocean. This site just has so much to offer everybody. We love coming here with the children because they just have so much fun. Everybody is so relaxed.